Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make text simple and practical for everyone. Want to read Messenger messages without anyone knowing? Today, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts and stay completely private. Step 1. Open Messenger settings. Open the Messenger app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon to access your account options. Step 2. Go to Privacy Settings, select Privacy and Safety from the list. This section controls your messaging privacy features. Step 3. Find Read Receipts. Scroll down and tap on Read Receipts. This option controls whether others can see when you've read messages. Before we go deeper, click subscribe and join thousands of tech enthusiasts mastering their digital tools. Step 4. Turn off Read Receipts. Toggle off the switch labeled Show Read Receipts. This will instantly disable seen status for your messages. Step 5. Understand the change. Others won't see when you've read their messages anymore, but you also won't see when they've read yours. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off read receipts on Messenger Bisahula. Enjoy more privacy while chatting without pressure. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart, practical tech tutorials every day.